if you're thinking about doing this, get the blade for it. Just get it. I was on the fence. I probably had this thing 20 years. You can see it's all destroyed when I get to it. And it was, at the point where it's ripping my hair out of my head trying to do it. And I did the blade upgrade, and it really, really helped. So with that said, here's the quick video that I was just starting to do. Just standard clippers, hair clippers, Wahl. So I've been using these for a couple of years, and I've noticed a couple things. One, the clipper guards got kind of loose. I don't know, you can't really tell, but they sometimes fall off right when you're using it. And also you can see that the blades, it just got kind of dull. Use it for me, use it for the dogs. Try to use it on the kids when I can. So in the past, what I've done is just when we got to this point is I just chucked the whole thing and bought a new clipper. And I've done that several times in my life. But then I was looking at it and I was like, you know what? It would be really good if we could just get a new blade. Inadvertently bought ceramic and love it. New clipper guard. So I got that. The blade came. And so the blade comes with two pieces. So what we're going to try to do is just take it apart and see what the finished product is like with the new blade and with the new clipper guards. So here we go. You don't need instructions for this. Two Phillips head screws. Note the orientation of the pieces when you pull it off, and put the new stuff on. I use these ceramic blades, which I guess have less friction, and so they supposedly are quieter also. And they really did seem to work, a lot nicer. And that was the other thing with the old blades. I had to turn the speed way up, so it was super noisy and crackling in that because of how fast it was going. I was spraying, WD-40 on it to try to get it lubed up so that it would work better. And it was just literally ripping my head out. My face would be all red by the time I was done in that. So yeah, again, if you're on the fence, just do it. It's worth it. So super easy to disassemble. You can see it was just those two screws. And yeah, man, this has seen better days. Pretty beat up. Pretty funky. The new one went on super easy. Looks like it all lines up. Sounds good. Let's go give it a shot.